Now, more than 20 blocks of apartments in Embakasi's Tassia estate have been disconnected from power supply in a crackdown that Kenya Power says is intended to stop the theft of electricity through illegal connections. Electricity distributors spent the better part of today raiding several areas of the capital in an operation that will extend to the rest of the country to weed out illegal power connections and vandalism. In the last financial year, Kenya Power lost 133 transformers to vandals, a drop from the 222 that were lost in 2016. Last month, an Eldoret court sentenced 2 suspects to 10 years imprisonment each after they were found guilty of stealing and vandalizing transformers and being in possession of transformer oil.